Welcome to another day of Songs and Words. And I'm here too. It's me, Miss Hall. Thanks for being here, everybody. So glad to see you too, Rosa. Do you want to read the reading target again today? Yes, I would love to read the learning target. Here we go. I can identify specific sounds and words. Great job, Rosa. Is everyone ready to get started? Our first activity is identifying rhyming words. I'm going to say 3 words. You're going to say the 2 words that rhyme. You ready to give it a try? Listen carefully. With, sniff, no. Which 2 words rhyme? With and sniff. Good job. With and sniff. Mask, task, see. Which 2 words rhyme? Mask and task. Good job. Mask and task. As, has, it. Which 2 words rhyme? As and has. Good. As and has. Let's try one more. Jan, ran, job. Which 2 words rhyme? Jan and ran. Good job. Jan and ran are the rhyming words. Now for our next activity, we are going to identify the first sound we hear in words. I'm going to say 3 words that all begin with the same first sound. You're going to repeat what the first sound is. Are you ready? All right, listen carefully for the first sounds. Zoo, zebra, zero. What's the first sound? That's right. Z. Ask, am, apple. What's the first sound? Ah. That's right. Ah. Kind, kid, keep. What's the first sound? K. Yes. K. Let's do one more. First, 5, fox. What's the first sound? Good job. Super job identifying the first sound in words, everybody. Now it's time to get our choppers out. We are going to chop all the sounds in a word. When Rosa goes like this, you're going to put those sounds together and say the word. You ready? Listen carefully. K-a-b. Cab. Good job. P-up. Pop. H-ug. Hug. Ox. Fox. Let's do one more. Hen. Hen. Great job putting sounds together to make a word. Now for our next activity, we are going to work on identifying the final sound in a word. I am going to say a word, and Rosa's going to raise her hand on the last word. I'm going to really sound out that last sound. You are going to say what that last sound is after Rosa raises her hand the second time, like this. So if I say parrot, Rosa will go like this, and you'll say t, because that's the last sound. Let's give that a try. Dismiss. What's that last sound? S. Good job. Prize. What's the last sound? Z. Good job. Here's the next one. Shake. What's the last sound? K. Good job. Let's do one more. Even. What's the last sound? Good job identifying the final sound you hear in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. This time I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word and then chop the word into all its sounds, just like Rosa did earlier. Listen carefully. Say peg. Now, chop, peg. Egg. Good job. Say has. Now, chop has. As. Awesome job. Say cut. Now, chop, cut. Good job. Let's do one more. Say lip. Now, chop, lip. It. Great job breaking a word down into all its individual sounds. That's really going to help you with spelling. Now for our next activity, we are going to start with a word. We're going to change the first sound. We're going to go like this. You are going to say what our new word is. Are you ready? Say Todd. Change t to Rod. Say rod. Change to nod. Say nod. Change to sod. Say sod. Change to pod. Great job changing the first sound in a word to make a new word. Now for our next activity, I am going to tell you the ending chunk or rhyme of a word. Then I'll say the first sound to add. I'm going to go like this. We'll put it together to say the word. Are you ready? Say at. Add cat. Say us. Add bus. Say ift. Add gift. Say ock. Add sock. Great job starting with the ending chunk, a rhyme of a word, adding a first sound, saying what the word is. Now for our next activity, we are going to start with a word. We'll take away the first sound and then say what the ending rhyme or chunk of the word left is. Here we go. Say hunt. Say it without hunt. Say fox. Say it without ox. Say dim. Say it without m. Say sand. Say it without s. And let's do one more. Say pup. Say it without p. Up. Great job taking away the first sound in a word and saying the rhyme or ending chunk that's left. Are you guys ready to count words and sentences? I sure am. Do you want to read the sentences today, Rosa? Yes. All right. Everyone, listen carefully to Rosa. Is it raining outside today? How many words is that, everybody? I think it's 5. Let's listen and count. Is it raining outside today? Good job, it was 5. You want to do one more? All right, here we go. I love reading books. How many words? That one was 4, I think. Let's count together, okay? I love reading books. You're right, friends. It was 4. Super job counting words and sentences. You did do a super job, and you all did a super job with sounds and words today. Thanks for helping out, Rosa. Maybe you should be a teacher one day. Maybe I will. That's a great idea. See you, friends.